Hello, Jason Toria kan lo lom le vek chawa hey nana in Mizoram mai hodon sia I chung te le I thian te le YouTube viewers zong te giveaway ti huna kan nail product ka zor ho hi lo han giveaway vero atia chung vel le kan hun man dan te karon da lang don tlem te karon da khom dona clear dan in lo thiam mai don nia in lo enjoy nge ka be se hey tlai no ni to a kan thil ti to te kan ti zawa magtuga kan ay tour ay brisket kan bake me kan ay kan bake po nilaw kan grill ni su hey bake chunga kan na tuna a smoke later char poka chanchu to keep it moist, right?
Yep.
Hey enge araw hulaw nan mo daw ka honey. Scarlett is ready to eat. Wow. You're draining out the juice.
Yeah, because I'm gonna slice it and then put it in the juice, but I want to get all the.
Wow, that looks so yummy. Smells so good.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, I'm almost ready.
Yay! So big. Alian chale me.
Baby.
Solid hot.
Tanui na siam chao na chanchu kan hon tur te. Ani bang niya. You guys may be wondering.
There's a.
So.
Here.
Oh, you're setting stuff down the drain.
That's one. Okay, let's taste it. Oh my god. Wow.
I like the other knife better, I think.
Oh wow, that looks so juicy and yummy.
This is the fat cap.
Oh,
Ooh, look at that smoke ring, babe.
and the smell is so good. Wow.
18 hours.
Wow, that looks good.
It's a salt. Now you can cut that fat cap off.
I cut most of it off already.
Yeah, no, hold on. Gonna be watery.
There's grease in there too, right?
No, it's gonna have plenty of grease. Look at all the fat, babe.
Yeah. Hey, kan cut zau trap to last piece takan to
Tell them that's a smoke ring. That
Smoke ring, yeah, I like that red on
Yep,
top
that's
of
the
the
best.
smoke ring, yeah.
best.
So, hey, lai mi hi kan slow cooker, well, ni.
No, I just. It's beautiful for you. Get in it.
You look like you're having fun.
I am. I love it.
I'm relaxing.
I think Pui's dead.
I'm swimming.
Ant bit me on my neck. I hate them. She's playing in her pool.
Not funny to have on dog.
She loves to play in her pool.
Who is behind me? Look at that, swimming. A pitch pakat like thấy thế hùng li lâu ra cái mua ai là sao cái lỗ tiêu đó po na cái chuột thế này ai pakat thế hey lian travel to oh you get it wow show me oh you lâu đấy to that looks like a monkey zong mấy lâu là yeah like zong there's no more really
Oh, yes.
where is my peach guy peach karon low to ala zawan. Show them in the camera how big is that.
Crazy. It's almost right.
Wow, that's big. Look at that. Huh?
It is tiny.
Wow. Với chơi gần tuy gần chèn vel mấy này. The water.
Yeah.
Okay.
Before the freeze. I don't know.
How is today? Did you have fun?
Yeah, today was awesome. There's American football on the TV today. First time all year.
Oh. Cái cor lei te hin mía đâu to. See? Is it feel good?
Yeah, they feel really good.
Bacon ready to pa he brisket kanu siam khania corn te he ta rice te po ma te scarlet in a butter salad te siama level egg siam boka kanu in local kha sia the to lo siam chua gravy nia ahia helaya ahia in mashed potato boka is it ribeye?
Ribeyes.
Yeah, ribeye.
Ribeye steak.
Yeah, ribeye steak. Nana is making. How long you gonna put?
Huh?
This is the smoke for now, right?
Yep, I'm just
Okay,
smoking
okay.
it for.
Hey, kan hot trap to Scarlett hian apu hi ngai don le ni heng kwang moi. Ngoi ni. Are you gonna miss Tori? Huh? Are you? Ngai don chiang lu tuk yen dan tang chef Scarlett.
All right. I'm gonna
Apu Tori khai ngai don na mi.
Does rain?
Yeah. Weather says rain.
Look at that. She's watching it. She's looking at me. Scarlett. Lo hai rồi heta. Look heta. Look this side.
Her tail's waving.
Heta. Oh. Tori khai ngai don mo. Ngai don em. Ngai don chiang. Here we go. Our last meal.
I'm gonna put these over here because Dad likes red.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cook this pie.
Can grill later. Chato na ribeye steak kanihi. Ribeye steak, right?
My fresh cow.
Yeah. Nana will add garlic powder. First, garlic powder. Okay.
And pepper.
Pepper. Oh yeah, that looks good.
Salt.
Seasoned salt. Okay, Lori, right?
Yep.
Akara kanin folk kanin so because it was that right? You went and pork with food
Yep.
and we'll smoke for how long?
Look for probably. Bob's I put wood.
Oh, you have a plant here. Look at that. The color is so beautiful.
Here too.
Kanun hey sensi pakhat mi pe vedo na cute ro to bai kan ti dai mi ka hey hi flavor shang mi pe boka ta khwan in chunga in bathroom vela in da ru tia lei ka tuma lei du su ka ngal to ka te mi pe do ni hi man lai rim tui ro lu to kan se sa he e savak lo sa ve do hey han lai ka kan on ta eng reng bok na mo rim tui to hey nana in jerky, beef jerky, kan hun turmin siam saka ur char ni he. Wow, that looks good. 4 layer. Oh my god, that's a lot. Wow. Hey, kan util ania til donte. Oh hey. Keng kasil zau cha kan ho to do na. Kalau ti lang law mani khan chon hey anin til min hon tir vele chong ani chu. Marcha huana mi hau kha ni ta join dates te oatmeal te man la te min hon ti ron sa te po ma se bong sa vel kan ho nang kina karon ti lang don ne.
Hey guys, this is Nana from Illinois. I just want you to know that I have done nails for the last 10-15 years, and I am giving a lot of stuff to be sold. Just showing a few of what I have. Lots and lots of different things. And what I want you to know is we are going to be doing some drawings for some free stuff. But I would also like you to support our need. And I don't want to give everything away because I have a ton of nice stuff. So I am showing you, I have nails and toenails. So I have a whole lot of stuff, but if you buy 3, we're going to be doing a drawing where you can get 3. So once again, if you want to buy 3, we're going to give you 3 if your name is in our drawing.
Yeah.
So these are all $13 a piece.
Yeah.
So I'm just telling you, I have a variety of stuff. So if you want to hook up and buy 3 for $15, and they're normally $13,
Yeah.
we'll do a drawing. They're $13 a piece. We'll do a drawing and give you 3 for free.
Yeah.
So hook up, share our video, like and share, and we'll do a drawing. Right? And as I promised, I would give a bunch in India when I came. I'm not able to go, but I'm sending, yes, Jess and Tori meets and greets.
Yeah.
We will have a ton of stuff. I'm going to put them all together so you can see what I have.
Okay.
I have a lot.
Okay.
So hearing from you, and if you want to reserve in advance, you can do that too.
Yeah.
We can show you pictures. We can do whatever you want.
Okay.
But stay tuned.
Okay.
For
Okay, nanay ka na main nail stop vel kaka peng karon peng cho Mizoram magazine cho ang giveaway Jason Tori channel lo entry te khatia ma se amarong kal the don ma kai mani miron thon don hey dollar som pathum te $11 te $13 te i Jason Tori channel te le nana te putara cooking te in lo entry na wang kha ning kanu in lom thu soina na ron thon don ai kang giveaway tel don ni cho.
good luck, everyone. I've got a lot here.
Yeah, Nana said good luck everyone. Into good luck. Veguti dong turhan. Oh hey.
Hi.
Bye.
Have fun. Good luck.
Good morning. Hey ka imbual zo. Ka sampola hu ka blow dry man to lo. Zing darli le tinya kan hodo na. La thim tok roate mi dong ka sha. Kan load fe la nga kan te pon ton thau chana. So kan hodo do na ho pe yom lo to. Na ka kal le nga ngai don zan in na ka thok don ni chu ka na hi ta fe to pani chu mo. Bang ka ha the to. You ready to go home?
Yeah. Are you?
Yeah, morning. Load lang. I'll put this on car seat. Ana, invite me te. It's from farm, right?
Yep.
The farm mi ay min lo da saka kan hon don ni brisket te ka min hon tir vek do na. Chuan he ta hiani this one he jerky. Hey beef jerky min sa tui me man kina ka lai te karon te lang non ne. Chuan green beans po hi fresh, right?
Yep.
Garden na changin ya lo frozen na hi kan hon don ba. Hey kan nu in thil min pen na sat khopa hey. Kan bor top. Okay, I'll open the door. Here, we can put behind the car seat. Okay. Let's put oatmeal, the dates, the pemo. Oh, we got another beef. Hey, kanu in bong sa roast. Min hunter on he.
That can go in that bag, Tori. It'll help keep things.
How about you, Malsom? I were taking you home. Hey, Malsom, look this side. Malsom. Hey, vel he kan lau ken thei hil de he kanu ten kozumela Mexican zina miro honte chon he cho album luiral zawa tet lai tlang va lai vel kan lau thei hil chon he kan wedding a kanu min present te kha kan lau thei hil ve kamo he lo ma kan hon don ni he zan in na tho tu nen pe lo heavy to ma se ka ho ngai kim bal fight to chu wa mut to pan me to ka ba mut khor nga ka thau nga na kal le char kanu te wi kan ron jin an tum mo krom bye bye ti rang cha video ka da ma hian. So I'm going to miss you. Come here. We're leaving. Love you, Mom. Hopefully we'll see you soon.
Yeah. Cool, Raider.
Eh.
I think I'll buy all 22 thing, and then we'll try to.
It's been a great time.
Yeah, thank you.
I love you.
I love you too.
Nana and Papa will be home in our town soon, hopefully.
Yes.
Miron tlon tumani probably this weekend or maybe next one. Yeah, we'll see.
Before we head to India.
We may put them in our luggage.
For John and Ashley.
That turned out really good.
It did.
Oh, for the last. An ngay don raw lo to ka non cha ve ka jing dar li le ti nia kan video to hena enjoy kan ring kan holam chu krom vlog to lo me nga ka mu hil do ka ra mo jan na ka thok don se min lau thira wangin kan lom lut tuka min lau thir ze ula kan ron zin trep to giveaway te kan ti dong ha kan soi ring po hi ni noma ka giveaway ka ti tur zong te kha shereng khanin ha ta kha min lau ha kula nang ni ai khanin ron zin kha ka chak to ni ti ha kan soi ni bye bye oh bye bye guys. Bye Tori, you can stay here. So nice ni. Bye man. Bye daddy.
Love you guys.
Yeah, take care, okay?
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Wih, ke beef jerky. Ano min hondira kalkunga kan iya. Run to something. Let me buy. Ito ba? Parang sok pa bang kakata. Ay, kan pon kan hi.